The first step in the application of the splice shunt with hot sticks is to ensure that the oxide layer that has formed on the conductor is broken. So use a good new brush on the end of your hot stick and ensure that you wire brush all surfaces. Make sure you wire brush and get in between each of the strands if you can. And then once you've broken that on one side, the full length of the leg, make sure you do it on the other side. And once you've gotten that thick oxide layer broken and cleaned off, you need to apply a good company standard inhibitor to ensure that oxidation doesn't form and you get a good electrical contact. To do that, we recommend taking maybe an old brush, apply a generous amount of oxide inhibitor on it, put it on your hot stick, and then rub it in. This will ensure during the installation of the splice shunt you get a good electrical contact and over the entire life of the splice shunt.